Okay, I'm in my kitchen if you don't remember from my last video, and if you don't because you didn't watch it, you know, you should go watch it and subscribe to watch like all the videos that are coming. I asked on my Instagram what videos do you guys want to see, and I got a lot of music, makeup tutorials, skincare, and how to stay fit. So yeah, if you guys want to see those, subscribe, and you'll be seeing those soon. Also, look at my highlight. I was watching that the whole time, but like I never said anything. Hey guys, so before I go, I'm going to be doing my makeup. I'm going to be using the Ultra Matte Primer from Ulta. See, like, look at the difference that eyebrows make. Like, I really like bold eyebrows. Like, my makeup style is just make the eyes pop and then make the skin not pop. Now I'm going to conceal around my eyebrows, underneath my eyes, and on the spots that need to be concealed. I use the Super Stay Better Skin Concealer, and I use the Instant Age Rewind. So now that I have a nice little concoction on my hand, I'm going to put it on my eyebrows. I'm going to bronze my face. I don't actually have a bronzer, I just use a darker powder. I'm taking the same bronzer and doing that. Now I'm just gonna put on mascara, and I swear like this whole look will like be put together. English? Just wait on it. So I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm just gonna be putting that on my eyelashes. Where else would it go? Oh, there you go. Look, I promise you 1 second. See, it's all put together now. I look decent. So now that my makeup's done, I'm gonna go make an iced coffee because like I'm so tired and it's already 2 p.m. and like I just never made my coffee. So I'm gonna go do that right now.